Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And I guess this is just a video about, just saying, well, welcome or whatever. So, this right here, that is right in front of me, this is a 1990 Ford Bronco. And this is going to be one of my project cars. I'm getting it from a friend. I mean, man, it's going to be hard, but it's going to be worth it. Don't worry about the coke, but I actually cleaned it out. I will have a before and after picture on my Instagram. I will put that in the description. This is going to be one of my project cars, even though it doesn't have an engine in it. Me and my dad will probably go to a junkyard and take one out. But this is going to be a really cool project, because then I get a Bronco. I've always wanted one. Come on now, hold on, I'm going to go over there. But transmission's still in it. That's good. Everything works. Only like minor rust, usually where some rust is. There we go. I mean, it can easily just be sewed up, maybe. I'm not too sure. But not really major things, just... I actually really like it. And then there's some trash down there, but I really like it. I really do. No radio, sadly. But, oh, let's see. I believe, is it over here and then down, I believe? No, I had this before. Sorry if this is a pain, but yep, there it goes. Works. Yeah, so we're gonna get this new project car. It's gonna be sick, so yeah. This is hopefully gonna be my 1990 Ford Bronco. Oh yeah, look, 2014 is when the license plate expired. 4 years ago. No, 5 years ago. I'm dumb. But yeah, so I guess, yeah, this is gonna be my project car. Hooray.